Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain is a versatile enterprise-grade L1 smart contract platform. Vechain began in 2015 as a private consortium chain, working with a host of enterprises to explore applications of blockchain. Vechain would begin their transition to public blockchain in 2017 with the ERC20 token VEN, before launching a mainnet of their own in 2018 using the ticker VET. Vechain aims to use distributed governance and Internet of Things technologies to create an ecosystem which solves major data hurdles for multiple global industries. Vechain has been bullish on the charts in the past week. The near-term outlook continued to lean toward the bullish side as the market structure for the token remained bullish on the lower timeframes. However, the 75 cents level would need to be flipped to support in order to garner interest from investors with a longer investment horizon. Vechain has gained nearly 25% in the past week. But the question is, can we expect further gains? In late January and early February, the price entered into a phase of consolidation as it formed a range between 5 cents and $0.056. In the past week, VET broke out past the range highs and has been climbing since. It was able to reach the 69 cents highs but was unable to push higher. The MACD made lower highs even as the price attempted to push past $0.069. The Awesome Oscillator also fell back beneath the zero level to indicate bearish momentum. On the OW, the momentum has been bullish for the better part of the last week. A former sovereign wealth fund professional is targeting $150 million for crypto fund of funds under the Neural Capital banner, betting on the Web3 revolution, with backing from one of the industry's biggest moneymakers. Rabia Iqbal plans to close the new firm's first fund at the end of February, according to a source familiar with the matter and marketing materials obtained by Blockworks. Iqbal declined to comment. Neural's flagship vehicle, First Light Fund, plans to deploy capital to crypto-focused hedge and venture capital managers, along with token investments and direct equity stakes in the blockchain sphere. The firm, which has a presence in New York, Hong Kong and Puerto Rico, is backed by Kinetic Capital, a proprietary investment firm that has invested in BlockFi, FTX and Solana in seed rounds. Kinetic executives Jahan Chu and Tony Gravanis are Neural general partners, and contributing to a sizable GP commitment for the fund. Iqbal's venture is one of a growing number of crypto fund of funds operators to emerge lately, drawn by an abundance of portfolio managers to launch funds in the space in the last year or so. Former Fidelity Digital Funds executive Michael Zinnemann is also attracting the interest of institutional investors for his crypto fund of funds, Dual Worlds. The source said Neural has an edge in being woman-run and minority-owned, a boon to institutional investors looking to diversify their portfolios, plus having the backing of crypto natives. Indeed, more than half of the firm's roster of fund managers come from diverse backgrounds, according to the marketing materials. Neural already has its second and third funds on the horizon. The firm is aiming for the second quarter to launch Dawn Fund 1, which is targeting $100 million to make anchor investments with preferred fee terms in emerging managers focused on specific sectors. Also slated for the spring is Halo Fund 1, shooting for $50 million to serve as a companion fund to First Light 1, including co-investments and follow-up opportunities. First Light's starting portfolio includes about 10 investments that are expected to enter the fund with markups on profits, including recently backing the decentralized finance, DeFi, infrastructure startup Corrado. Iqbal has also invested with Simao Cruz's Lightshift Capital. The fund's portfolio is earmarked in thirds to established crypto fund managers, emerging funds and token investments, plus direct equity plays. Part of the appeal, according to the marketing materials, getting access to managers who do not accept new investors or small checks. Iqbal's pitch to managers, as it turns out, includes getting their foot in the door on co-investments. It imposes a minimum investment of $1 million, though limited partners chipping in $3 million get priority on co-investments. The fund has a 10-year lockup, with an optional 2-year extension. Iqbal's due diligence process includes qualitative and quantitative analysis, including tapping a proprietary fund database. She's also poised to benefit from Kinetic's deep access to deal flow. Iqbal previously spent about 4 years in business development roles for Dubai's sovereign wealth fund Mubadala. Her previous employers include Coatue Management and Morgan Stanley, and she has been personally investing in crypto since 2017. The price has shifted towards the antagonistic movement, dropping significantly, dropping from the 6 cents mark. It seems that the price has experienced 2 collapses in a row. On February 8, 2022, as a result of which the price fell to 6 cents from 6 cents, on the same day it continued to decline until it finally reached 6 cents, followed by a slight positive movement, which led to an increase in the price to 6 cents. Moreover, today, February 9, 2022, the price remained unchanged. The current price of the PO is $0.063. Vechain's price analysis revealed market volatility demonstrating dormant dynamics, which makes market stability a priority, which means that the price of the cryptocurrency will remain constant until volatility begins to fluctuate in one of the extreme values. The upper boundary of the Bollinger Band is at $0.069, which acts as a strong resistance for VET. Conversely, the lower limit of the Bollinger Band is available at $0.058, which represents the strongest support for VET. The VET USD price crosses the moving average curve, indicating a bearish trend. In addition, the price path seems to follow a downward direction, which means a market decline. However, the market is showing potential for further bearish opportunities and bears may soon engulf the market. Vechain's price analysis shows that the relative strength index is 54, which represents a stable cryptocurrency. The value is present in the upper neutral area. In addition, the RSI seems to be following a downward approach, which reflects the decline in the value of the cryptocurrency and the predominance of sales activity. Vechain price analysis shows market volatility in a downward direction. This means that the fluctuating VET USD prices will fluctuate in the same direction as the volatility. Less volatility means less chance of the price shifting to any extreme point. The upper limit of the Bollinger Band is at $0.065, which is the strongest resistance for VET. On the other hand, the lower boundary of the Bollinger Band is available at 4 cents, which represents the strongest support for VET. The VET USD price crosses the moving average curve, indicating a bullish trend. In addition, we can observe the price movement after the downward movement, which may indicate stability. However, if the situation gets out of control, the price may fall further to the undervalued area. Vechain's price analysis shows that the relative strength index is 51, which means that the cryptocurrency is showing stable signs. Vechain is located in the upper neutral region. The RSI follows a linear movement reflecting a stable market. The activity of buyers has equaled the activity of sales, as a result of which the RSI indicator remains constant.